Has anyone got eyes on Bambi?
I got eyes on three.
Bambi's bringing up the rear.
I only see three people though. Who's here? Who's it Kong? I mean, yeah.
I'm full
There
green.
were 5 people. No, I was checking.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What's up? What's the swearing?
Oh my headset has heaps of cord on. It's like 2 meters long. Gets to the words.
Here we go.
Race to the
So this
gas
is it.
station now.
Yeah, this is the town with the military base as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I got it.
Does he though?
See if it was a steering wheel, no problem.
He's crouched, sort of crawling on them.
And then he leaps.
Yeah.
I'd stop there now.
Why?
Oh no, we're gonna get
Who's
close.
doing the deed?
Oh.
Is it a zombie?
Someone gives me a grenade, I don't care about doing it.
Do we need a rag dummy?
Should I sacrifice myself so I'm no longer a female?
I'm not carrying your
You're
shit.
female. I did not even know that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I kind of just covered myself up.
But you're the one with the recording capabilities.
I can record my suicide.
What's the issue?
I have a female body.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Screenshots from back here.
Will you be able to take? No, because you'll be running backwards when you.
He's gonna see the best of the explosion. He just needs to run backwards looking forwards or turn his camera and run sort of shit.
Wait, have we got a fire extinguisher?
Make sure you let us know when
We need a fire safety officer on this.
Oh, because if he dies, you know, we can...
I've
Where
got
you
a couple
bitches
cans
at?
of Coke.
Everyone's like really far away.
Yeah,
Don't
I'm about
throw
200 feet.
it. That's terrible.
And I'm recording, so I've got this best view.
This is keen, eh?
How big is this explosion gonna be?
Pretty big.
Is it?
Surely it
It's
wouldn't
gonna come out the concrete.